We waste most of our time trying to make drums and shakers, and it's deep. Depends on how you feel on the day. So on this video, I'll help you solve that problem. So watch till the end for better understanding. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, and like and comment and tell me what you think about this video. Let's go. First, you press the plus button, then you go to audio clip, and then you go to my files, and then you search for the song that you inputted on FL Studio Mobile, and then you go look for the file and do TRP drums. I'ma keep it safe and not play the whole beat because of copyright claims. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the song and make it short so that it can loop, and then make sure you put it on the right BPM, 111. That's what I put it on. So it depends on the song BPM. You have to do some research on it, and then I'm gonna cut from 5 right here. Then I delete this part and then I make it even. So now we have a loop. That's it. I'm gonna keep it safe again and not play the whole loop. But if you listen to the loop, it sounds clean and it loops perfectly. Now listen to it and tell me what you think. If you watch till the end, please don't forget to subscribe.